Hi, this is Jeff with Relevant Homes, and we're going to give you a little tour of the Armitage project in the 3D model. Kind of help people understand how we're going to turn an existing automotive garage into a 3-unit residence. You can see here is the front of the building is going to get converted from the garage to a 2-story front facade for an apartment upstairs and living unit downstairs. You can take a look at the interior of the first floor, which will be the main living unit. The front of the structure, we're going to have a front space which will work as kind of a office slash conference room for Relevant Homes clients. It'll work flexibly for other reasons too, but you can see that here is the front of the building, and then the next section of the first floor includes 3 bedrooms. This is the front 2 here, and then a master bedroom. And you can see we have an open air courtyard that allows for light and vent into each room. And then just past those we have the master bathroom attached to the master bedroom. And here, tucked away, you can see there's another full bath. And then we have a mechanical and laundry room here, which will have stacked laundry and a laundry sink, and then necessary mechanicals for the building. And then beyond that, we're going to have the living, kitchen, and dining space, which will have the existing 13-foot ceilings. We're going to include a little wood stove for fires. We're going to have a big back windows, 16 feet wide by 13 feet high, to bring in the light. And the kitchen will have this peninsula and an island, and the peninsula will kind of function as an indoor and outdoor kitchen surface. You can see this back courtyard is open to the air also, and we'll have a part of it that's going to be covered underneath the existing studio. That pretty much gives you the layout of the main floor. We're going to come back with some more videos to show you the rest of the space. So stay tuned, we got more coming.